Alright guys, we are back. Depew Fan 5. We got Dad here and who? Laney. We got a crystal growing experiment kit. We've been wanting to do something a little different, so we're going to start a project series for our videos. And every so often we're going to put out a video of us doing projects. So this one we're going to start from the beginning. We're going to unbox it, show you everything that's inside, and we'll get to it. Definitely need the instructions.
Yeah. And then we need these? Wait, I guess we can pop them out.
Well, let's just wait. Looks like it comes with some discs of some sort that you gotta pop out. Take the box and set it to the side.
Okay.
We got some crystal stuff and colored rocks. Let's see what they call it. Crystal compound, that's this white stuff here. So we're gonna have to go get some scissors and open this up. This here looks like we got our holding containers. Looks like this is gonna be a process over a few days, so we'll get it going and we will keep you updated on it. Alright guys, we're back with our scissors. We're gonna start opening packages here. Kind of separate this stuff out a little. Looks like we got a red, we got a blue, and we got a clear, or a white.
That's white. And they have these little packages.
Yep, this is our crystal compound here, so. I can't even say what this is. Monoammonium phosphate. Alright, we're opening this up here.
That's all of it.
Okay, looks like we got some lids. So we'll stack all these up. Got the cups. Two big cups.
In a little thing.
I guess they're mediums, because this is the big one.
Yeah. Yeah, those are mediums.
Then we got a little mixing bowl, a little spoon, and these things. Alright. Alright guys, this is what we have. Alright, let's start with our instructions. Comes with 3 large bags containing white crystal compounds, 3 small bags containing seeding mixture, 1 stirring bowl, 1 stirring spoon, which Laney has right here, display bases, 1 large, 2 medium, and 4 small, ring-shaped templates, 1 large, 2 medium, and 4 small. So, adult supervision is required. Well, we better stop this project because I'm one big kid. As the solution and the crystals may stain, cover your work area with old newspaper beforehand. Maybe we should go get an old towel. What do you think?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll be right back. Okay guys, we got our towel laid out, so I think we're ready to go here. Let's roll. Sure we'll need something else here.
I think we'll need
1, you need 200 milliliters of hot water to grow your crystals. Use boiling water if possible, as this makes the crystals grow best. Here's Betsy. Can you say hi, Betsy? Oh, Betsy the brat. We call her Betsy B. She doesn't like to be held. All right, we got our boiling water.
Except Betsy B, she likes to come up on my bed and she likes to snuggie with me at night.
Right. Okay, we got our boiling water. We're going to pour it into this cup here, very carefully.
Carefully. Careful.
Now, we have to open one of these compound bags and pour it all in there.
Can I pour it all in there?
Sure.
Okay.
Be careful though. We have to wash our hands when we're done.
Okay.
Slowly pour it in there. Stir until the powder has dissolved. Stir.
Can I stir with it?
Yep, we gotta stir it. Alright guys, it's pretty much all dissolved. Now it says to wait and let it cool down for about 15 minutes. We'll be back. Now the stirring process took probably about 5 to 7 minutes to stir it completely. It's all dissolved. We let it cool down. We let it cool down for probably about 7-10 minutes. It says 15, but it feels lukewarm, and that's what it's asking for. So you don't want it to be cold or too hot. I think it's just right, like the porridge. So now it says pour the solution into the large hexagonal transparent cover, which will also be used for growing crystals.
Good.
Allow another 30 minutes for the solution to stabilize. Wow, this is a process.
Yeah.
Here's the large one.
We
are gonna dump it.
Careful, Daddy. Careful. 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 Okay.
Still a little bit of crystals in there. I think that'll be all right though. All right, we got it poured in there. We're going to step away for about 30 minutes, let it stabilize, and we will be back. All right, guys, we are back. We ate lunch.
Okay, I see you. Yep.
While we were waiting for our solution to stabilize, we also went ahead and filled all our little cups, all of our medium cups, and we had the big cup full already. So we're gonna start mixing. Sorry about the lighting. We had a light burnout right in the middle of this, so we're doing our best here. Unfortunately, we don't have very good lighting in this area. So we'll work on that for our next video. All right, now we're gonna start mixing colors. What colors do we want?
I want red.
Red? What's red?
I said red.
Red? Okay.
I know how to spell for.
Spell it.
F-O-R.
Is that a number? No,
No,
it's not. F-O-U-R. That's 4. 4 years ago. Now take one small bag containing the seeding mixture.
Okay.
We're going to use these.
Look at that. It's red and red. Is that funny?
That's funny. That's hilarious.
I want this one.
You want that one to be red? Only red?
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn to our table here. So we need 4 scoops of the red.
Okay.
And you're just going to... Nope, that's a big scoop there, so... Alright, there you go. Now just dump it right on top. Don't mix it in. Just dump it on top. There you go.
And another one?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Nope, you need a little more than that.
One more scoop.
Here, let me help you. Let me have the stick. Okay. All right. No, just we leave it alone. All right, guys, we got to take these and put them somewhere in a warm spot. Here's where the rings come in. Basically, these rings will set over top like this, and that's supposed to prevent the crystals from growing up the side. So we will see, and we will keep you updated. It's supposed to take 4 to 7 days for them to grow completely, and we'll let them sit for a while, and we'll keep you updated with some video here. So we're gonna get these put in a warm spot. Okay, guys, we are back with our crystal growing project. As you can see, we have the rings on them still, and apparently you don't want to set it on your instructions because they do get bumped around. And if last time we read it, it said put these rings on top so it wouldn't grow up the side. Well, you know, the things get bumped around and kind of grow up the side. So, but the crystals look like they've grown pretty good. So what we're going to do is peel all these tops off here. This one seems pretty decent here.
There. This one's...
We are about 8 days into it. It says 4 to 7 days. We gave it an extra day to see how it would grow. And we're going to check these out. This one we can't, the big one we can't even see what's in there. You can definitely see these other ones.
Look at this one.
Yeah, look at that one. That ring must have fell off.
No, I took it off.
And this one. All right, so what we're going to do is Dad's going to try to grab these crystals out of here. I got this one. I think this one's going to be like purple.
Yeah. You're gonna have to reach in. Ooh, that one looks.
And by the way, we didn't forget our towel this time. We actually got it right. All right, here's the big one.
Ew, your fingers. Your fingers.
This one looks way different than all the other ones.
Yeah.
This one's heavy. All right, it says to wash the crystals, but not very long, otherwise they'll start dissolving. And then we got to rinse these out and dry them, and then they'll become the display case for our crystals.
And we have to put the lids on.
And then Lainey's got the lids, and we're going to get them displayed, and we will show you the final project.
Yeah.
We got our containers washed, and we got our crystals rinsed off. And are you mocking me? And Delaney put her fake makeup on today.
And washed it off. Woohoo! You're getting them dizzy. You know that?
All right, guys. We hope you enjoyed growing crystals with us. We do recommend this kit, Crystal Growing Experiment Kit. The only thing we can find is 4M, and also selected by University of Cambridge. So, that being said, we had a good time. How about you guys?
I did.
This is our first video to our vlog series, our brand new series we're bringing out. Our project series. It's crystal growing. You're goofy. All right, guys, we got more projects to come. Make sure you subscribe.
And hit that bell.
Hit that bell. Give us a big thumbs up. We will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.